BarrowBoy would. I'm cooking chocolate brownies today. I'm gonna bake it and mix it and everything. They're gonna be delicious. So let's go. I'm cutting this package. It's got the chocolate brownie mix in it. I'm just cutting it. I'm just putting it in there. Chocolate brownie stuff. You can see there. You can see. I'm gonna crack an egg and put it in there. That was hard to crack. So it's in there. I'm just putting the water in it now. I'm just gonna mix it around.
Put butter in.
I'm putting the butter in now. If you can see. So I'm just mixing it around with the water, the butter and the chocolate brownie stuff. They're gonna be gorgeous when they're done, when they get sorted out. See it there? So, chocolate brownies. So that bit's done now. So I'm just gonna margarine this, the tray, get all greasy so it doesn't stick in the tray. It's cooking, it'll come off easier. So it's really, you know, you really have to grease it up. You don't want it sticking to the tray, otherwise it'll be hard to get out. So on the next step, I'm putting this in here now. Chocolate brownies all mixed up, so I'm shoving it in. It's got chocolate chips in it as well, all different types. Chocolate brownies. This is chocolate brownies mix, so it's gonna be, it's a mixture of different stuff, chocolate chips and bits of chocolate in it as well. So it's gonna be really nice. Just getting all this out. So that's done, that's the next step now. I'm putting this in the oven for 20 minutes on 180. So it's going to be delicious when it's cooked.
See you in 20 minutes.
See you in 20 minutes. We've got 10 minutes to go until we get them out of the oven. They're going to be delicious. They're gonna be gorgeous. It's ready to take out the oven. The chocolate brownies. So we'll have a look. There it is. Beautiful. I'm going to put it on there for it to cool down. And then they're going to come back once it's cooled down and try it out and eat it. And give you the testing. So I'll see you in a second. I'm going to cut this now, it's ready now. It's come out of the oven before and it's just cooled down, so I'm just going to cut it. Give it a triangle shape. It's not Illuminati. Yeah. Chocolate brownie. Yeah. I'm just going to try it now. I'll try it. I'm going to taste it, see what it's like. I'm dropping it all over the place. Delicious. 10 out of 10 I give it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed before, do it now. So thank you for watching.